In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your GoDaddy email on an Android phone.
It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. At the top right corner, tap on your profile picture and then select Add another account. From the list of options, choose Other or IMAP. Now, enter your GoDaddy email address and tap Next. Under the incoming server settings, your username will be your full email address, and then type in your email password. For the IMAP server, type imap.secureserver.net, set the port to 993, and make sure the security type is set to SSL or TLS. Once that's done, tap Next. Next are the outgoing server settings. Again, your username is your full email address, and your password is the same email password. For the SMTP server, type smtp.secureserver.net, set the port to 465, and select SSL or TLS as the security type. Tap Next to continue. At this point, Gmail will verify your details. Once everything checks out, you'll be asked to enter your name, which will show up on the emails you send. Tap Next, and your GoDaddy professional email will now be fully set up on your Android phone. And that's it. You can now send and receive emails directly from the Gmail app using your GoDaddy account. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.